Hello everyone, welcome to African Dot Food. I hope everybody is well. Today I'm making something special. I'm making Akatwa stew slash Egusi stew. Melon seeds stew. So I have sweet pepper here. I have 3 tomatoes, I have onion, ginger, garlic, and I have grilled mackerel here, 1 large onion chop, and a fish powder, crayfish powder, and shrimp powder, and shrimp cube, a bit of salt. And here is my egusi. I didn't have the seeds one, so I have the ground one. And then I have Zomi oil and Pilchards here that I'm gonna mix with, and also spinach also here. And we have our steamed chicken and smoked turkey here that we're going to use. So please stay tuned. Now I have add the oil here, and I'm gonna add the onions in it and leave it to cook. So now we're going to blend the pepper and the tomatoes. So what we do, I'll just break them into pieces like that. So, and then I'll add the tomatoes, and the tomatoes, if you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can use tin tomatoes as well, and Scotch bonnet, the onion, garlic, ginger, all together. I'm gonna blend this. I'll show you when it's blended. So at this point our onion is ready. I'm gonna add the blend tomatoes and the pepper into it. And stir. And leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So here, this is my egusi. That's the one. I have added about half a cup and added the water to it and mix it. Now I'm gonna add this into my stew. So this is the stew. See, there's no water in it. It's properly cooked. So I'm gonna add the egusi here. It goes everywhere. A bit here, a bit there, in the middle, and there, and here. Everything. And I'm gonna cover this to cook for 15 minutes. Yes, at this point our egusi, our akatwa is ready. So I'm gonna stir a bit. See, it's cooked, properly cooked. This is how I want it. Now I'm gonna add the meat. Yeah, so now I'm adding the meat. So this is chicken and smoked turkey, and the stock as well. Yeah. This is my fish, the mackerel. My fish powder. And mix them together. Be careful because of the fish here. You don't want looking fish everywhere. So this is that. Now I'm gonna add the Pilchards as well. This one, the Pilchards. I got tomato sauce on it. I'm gonna stir this one as well. Let's be careful. Stir. Yeah. And now my salt. And the stock cube. So let's see, that's done. I'm gonna stir again. And I'm gonna leave it for about another 5 minutes for the meat and the fish and the sauce to introduce themselves. At this point I'm adding my spinach into my stew. Okay. And I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna cover it for 3 minutes and it will be ready. So voila, our Egusi stew is finished. Akatwa stew is finished. Melon seed stew is finished. So we are going to serve this with semolina. So if you want to know how I made my semolina, I have a video that you can watch how I made my semolina. So this is set. Egusi stew. Egusi stew. It's done. Thank you for coming today. Please share, like, subscribe, and comment if you like our Egusi stew. Thank you. Bye bye.